this outside the girls, guys. Ayan, apat na sa...
For a match for a while. A lot of quizzes, guys. Na midterms ko na next week.
Back again on another vlog.
We're here at Summer Cafe.
Hi guys, so we're going to fix our gift for Mikey, Rhea, and Baron. Hi! Saan tayo pupunta?
Pag ganito ako sasabihin.
Wala siyang tiwala sa akin. Di niya alam kabisado ko yun.
Nabitig ka nga, dahil na natin.
Happy birthday to
Nakita ko yun sa namin.
Kasi hindi na-celebrate prank kayo. Ayaw nga, bakit? Ay, ito nga siya. Ay, akala ko mag-ibig kay Baro. Hindi. Ganda din. Grabe. Grabe. Walaan niya. Hindi na sana. Sira.
Kay Aisha to, tapos kay Lauren to.
Tapos nilagay niyo sa cherry yung nakapakit si Maika.
May note siya to.
Successful, guys.
Ay, si Aisha pa talaga yung nilaban niyo sa akin. Vlog ba yan? Yes.
Take two.
Vlog mo ako. Aura sila.
One for you.
First take, guys. First take.
One for you.
Live reaction.
Yung dalawa, feeling ko kasi hindi na tayo magkikita on August. So, I want to give.
Ay, wow.
Nagawa natin paraan. It's a cookie cake somehow.
Grabe talaga. Guys. Promotion. Yes.
The big one is kay Lauren, of course.
Promotion. Hello.
Ay, wala pa akong pasok sa week na birthday.
Paano mo muna kung may
Congrats!
Sila meron. Yung my birthday, may pasok na. Lahat ka na nagala.
Kim,
Baron. Grabe
Rhea, Lauren, Mia. Grabe yung feeling program today. Thank you guys! Happy birthday! Advance, happy birthday! Belated, happy birthday! Super advance! Happy birthday! Thank you po!
Thank you po.
Na-surprise din kami!
Ay, ako yung
Kuya
cookie crumbs.
Sabi ang bango sa laser. Oh my gosh. Hi! Hi, vlog. Yes. Hi! Hi, vlog! We're going to... Where? To Crosta. Here are the Salcedo girls, guys. Yeah.
Kompleto tayo ngayon.
We're finally complete kasi we went here before around, anong taon yan?
2024.
2024. Apat lang kami, guys. It's
Kasi para makatawid-tawid siya.
We're lost.
Ayun, apat na sa...
Flowers is for. So who's wearing blue?
Guys. Maika. Kita ko.
This flowers is for Kim.
Kim.
Siya nagsimula, sa kanya
Oo, sa kanya matatapos.
This is for, laan niyo sino? Sino na lang din nabibigyan?
Sino na lang?
Sit ka.
Kaya nga nagtatanong.
Akit ba? Ano dito?
And I sail through the changing ocean tides, and I handle the seasons by my life.
Galasang kape yan sa...
My life around you, but time.
Guys, I'm the first one here. I bought coffee, which is this one. I just got home a few hours ago and I prepped some cookies because I have some deliveries tomorrow. And for today, we're going to make some matcha again, guys. I have now a matcha powder and of course a matcha set. Before kasi wala tayong matcha set, like we're using a matcha shaker lang because in my mind, it's not really practical kasi I don't make matcha that often and I try to lessening my sweets, like my drinks. Like for the past couple of months, I've been drinking lang cucumber with lemon. Like hindi ako nagdi-drink ng coffee or matcha and I rarely go to coffee shops din naman ng mga nakaraan. So now we're going back kasi it's mid-year season and I really need something to fuel myself and to make myself happy. And of course, the only thing that will make me happy is matcha or coffee. But yeah, I will show you guys the cookies that I made because I need to prep them because I have a lot of orders tomorrow. May mga deliveries tomorrow from different places and I also have delivery sa FEU. So let me show you guys how I make my matcha, but I'm not yet a pro, guys. Like, I literally don't have that much idea how to make it the right way, but I will apply kung paano yung alam ko. So I'm done with baking. I'm gonna show it to you guys here. So if you don't know, I have an IG account for this cookie crumbs. You can reach me out if you wanna order. Yes, I'm promoting my business here because it's my channel, so I can promote my cookies. So let's go to my first Saturday class of the week or of this sem. I'm not excited for tomorrow. I should be staying in bed. Pero wala akong choice, guys. It's our schedule. I have Saturday classes. It's so sad. So, see you guys tomorrow. Yun lang. Yeah. I'm here at Zeus Coffee and I got their matcha mango because I've been craving for a matcha for a while now, specifically this drink. Like, ever since natikman ko siya, I feel like it's very refreshing to mix the matcha and mango. Anyway, if you're wondering why I'm here, it's my vacant time, guys. Ang haba ng vacant ko because my schedule is 7:30 to 10:30 I have my first subject and then 10:30 to 1:30 I have my vacant. And for the past days kasi I'm with my friends during vacant time so it's not really boring at all. Pero they decided to go home this time kasi our next class, which is 1:30 to 4:30, online siya. So, iniisip ko na lang every Saturday, this will be my situation. Ayun, iniisip ko na every Saturday, ganito kahaba yung weekend ko and sobrang na-try ko na 'to before, like 4:30 pa yung next class ko and sobrang nakaka-boring. But ayan, 4:30 to 7:30 I have my face-to-face classes. Anyway, wala lang, I'm so excited. I also bought potato corner kasi I've been craving it for a while now. So that's my full food na for this afternoon. Hanggang afternoon ako dito, guys. So wish me luck na hindi ako ma-bored. Pero I might do some assignments or I don't know, study for my exams kasi I have exams na rin next week. Lang guys. This is me publicly vlogging again. So yes, let's try. So I'm gonna take a picture first before I try. Kasi it looks good guys. It looks good compared no last time. Kasi last time kasi parang nasa cup lang siya. So parang hindi ko naisip na ganito pala kalala yung mango niya. Ganyan kadami. Before kasi parang konti lang siya. Hi friends! So I'm here at Kapinapud. So I'm gonna study here for today kasi I have a lot of quizzes guys. Like I cannot believe na midterms ko na next week sa isang subject namin. Kaya kailangan ko na talaga mag-aral and I've decided to go here since I haven't tried this cafe and actually a good spot kasi medyo near siya and very accessible kaya medyo natuwa rin ako nung nakita ko to. It was recommended by my friend Angel, if you know her. Ayun, kasi malapit lang siya here. So, kaya I'm super happy. And she said na masarap daw yung matcha nila here. So, sabi ko, why not? Why not? I will try it. Kasi, I've been obsessed to matcha lately again. And I also want to try another cafe, which is, I think, Pacho Coffee House ata yun. So, ayan. I need to lock in guys. Kaya, let's do a taste test. So, I ordered their dirty matcha. I kinda know na kung ba't nagustuhan to ng friend ko because my friend loves yung mga strong. And it's actually strong since it's coffee espresso shot with matcha. Hi friends! I'm with someone today.
I'm back again on another vlog.
Nagulat ako guys, para siyang boyfriend ko, ganun. She's my boyfriend.
Yes. Sponty kami nagkikita talaga guys. Like yung mga kinabukasan lang o maya-maya lang pinlan.
Yes, it's her first day of school.
First day of school, nakita ko siya agad.
Kailangan namin mag-lock in guys. Magla-lock in kami. For like an hour. An hour na lang siguro.
May mga red dem kami. Tapos siya may mga quiz.
Third year na siya.
Yan, nauna ko mag third year. Pero third year na rin daw siya sabi.
Third year na ako in my mind. Bye-bye! We're here at Somewhere Cafe. And I'm finally with Micah again.
After 1,000 years.
Oh, she's my OG bestie sa mga ganito guys. Like, parang lagi ko siyang kasama sa mga cafe, sa iba't ibang bagay. I'm gonna try. What did you order?
I ordered brown sugar espresso.
Brown sugar
Basta parang
espresso.
ganun. Oo.
Mine is horchata. It's my first time try. We are going to lock in.
Later.
Yeah, kasi may exams ako after nito. Tapos, ikaw din ba may exams?
Oo. Pero sa ano pa, Monday pa ako.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Kakaiba. Ay, nilasang cinnamon. Nilasang cinnamon.
Oo.
Nasa siyang cinnamon. Ang chaotic namin palagi.
Sarap. Lasa din sila mo. Naka-pink version. First time ko to. Sa Somewhere Cafe.
It's my second time. Pero first time kasi, hindi ako masyadong nag-picture. I'm with my college best friend.
Yeah.
Yes, she's so back. I'm so happy
We're
kasi
so back.
tagal ko na naghahanap guys ng kasama ulit sa mga cafe sa Manila. Tapos na-realize ko, as in biglang sponty lang talaga kami type of friend guys. Na parang, I hope you have a friendship like this na someone na kaya niyo rin i-message. Tapos biglang, ay, G ako, ganyan, ganyan.
Tara.
As long as
Ganun.
they are free. Right? And I'm with my friends, senior high school friends. So introduce yourself guys.
Hi, I'm Micah.
Hi, I'm Ria.
Hi, I'm Luis.
Hi, I'm Kim.
Hi, I'm Lauren.
So today, kakamastahin lang namin ang isa't isa.
Catching up with the lover girl.
And then, we're going to talk about being independent. Kasi syempre, before, nung senior high school kasi, lagi kami magkakadikit. So, we're going to ask lang kung paano ba tayo naging independent during college.
Hindi ko pa alam yung sasabihin ko. Wait lang, pwede bang gumawa ng script? College life. College life is nice.
Essay ko pag wala maisip. Essay ko pag dinikit ko yung words.
Number one, this is your question. What is one thing that you couldn't have done in senior high that you can now do in college? Kasi syempre, di ba, like, tumanda na tayo from, like, yung, teens natin nung senior high. So, parang, well, for me lang, napansin ko, medyo lumuwag yung parents ko sa akin. Kasi dati sobrang strict na na parang, ngayong sa Manila na ako nag-aaral, parang ang dami ko na palang pwedeng gawin na wala naman sila, although may paki naman sila kahit papano, pero parang hindi na nila ako nililimit na parang na-realize ko nang hinahayaan na nila ako mag-grow in my own way, if that makes sense.
Actually, I can relate to that. Kasi before, nung SHS kami, feeling ko yung school namin, ganun lang kalaki yung mundo ko. Pero ever since like lumipat ako sa Maynila, parang na-realize ko na, wow, mas malaki pa pala yung, mas malaki pa pala yung mundo. And parang I have so much things to learn pa and to discover. And one thing nga siguro, for me, yung ginawa kong independent, run ng errands alone. Like, may mga bagay na ako na lang gumagawa mag-isa, or even may solo dates, ako na lang yung nakikipag-date na lang ako sa sarili ko kahit within Manila, which hindi ko siya na-imagine before. Kasi iisipin ko, I could have done that with my friends, ganyan. Siguro mag-hang out ako with my friends rather than being alone. Pero ngayon, mas comfy na ako na maging alone ako. And yun siguro yung hindi ko ina-expect. Kasi nung senior high ako, medyo dependent talaga ako sa friends ko. Like, kayayain ko yan sila kahit si Micah, kayayain ko yan na mall na may kasama, kahit si Lauren, lagi kami magkadikit, ganun. Pero parang realize ko later on, kaya ko naman pala gawin yung mga bagay ng mag-isa, na hindi ko na pala kailangan na hintayin yung iba na yayain ako. Parang yun siguro yung pinaka-independent na nagawa ko this college.
So, relate kay Aya in terms of errands. Before talaga, takot ako mag-asikaso ng errands ko alone. Like, kunwari yung mga papers, yung mga i-request sa school, ganyan. Or recently, nag-ayos ako ng scholarship ko on my own. Tapos, na-achieve ko siya. Wala si daddy, wala si mommy na naghahatid sa akin anywhere, ganyan. Parang for me kasi, hindi ko kayang mag-speak for myself in terms of public places. So, parang hinahayaan ko lang kung ano yung mangyayari sa araw na yon. kung nagkaroon ng inconvenience sa akin, okay, it's fine. So, recently, na-discover ko na kaya ko nang ma-accomplish yung things on my own. And then usually, naiiwan talaga ako mag-isa sa bahay. So, every day, di mo siya everyday, most likely, mabot ng 3 days, ganyan. Kasi yung kuya ko or yung brother ko may work na. So, I have to do things on my own. Yung foods ko, yung household chores, yung pagpapakain ko sa pet ko, kay Tofi, ganyan. Ako lahat. So, parang, since then, if i-compare ko yung senior high ko na may nag-aasikaso talaga, as in, all in. May maghahatid, ganyan, may mag-aasikaso ng food, or naka-ready na yung uniform ko at all. This time, pili lang talaga yung araw na naka-prepare everything. So, na-realize ko na I can do things talaga na without the guide of my parents na, okay, yun na yung independent moment ko. Kaya ko, nagde-decide na ako on my own. Sobrang indecisive ko no senior high. Like, hindi ko talaga alam kung ano yung gagawin ko, ano yung uunahin ko. Parang as time goes by, alam ko na yung uumpisahan ko, alam ko na yung uunahin ko. Kasi nga, nagagawa ko na siya ng ako lang. Independently. Ganun.
Pero some part of us din parang nag-stop din yung we stopped seeking for validation ng iba. Though there's nothing bad with having one circle of friends lang, pero parang wala ako kasing close agad na parang siya yung best friend ko lang, gano'n. So parang nagka-chance ako na i-get to know yung life nila.
One thing I've...
Thank you for that question.
Uwian po kasi ako sa Bulacan. So,
Naiyak na yan.
wala lang. Natuto lang ako mag-commute ng mas malayo. Minsan, syempre may mga project, pupunta pa ako sa malalayong mga kaibigan ko. Paranaque. So, anong oras pa ako nandun. So, yun. Tapos, same naman kay Lauren, lumuwag naman na yung parents ko. So, hinahayaan na nila akong kung saan pumunta. Yun lang.
Nakaka-relate ako dun. Kasi ever since
Wala na
lumabas
po,
ako dun
guys.
sa school na wala dun sa city na pinaglakihan ko, parang narealize ko, I can do whatever I want. And pwede naman ako pumunta sa kahit saan na gusto ko. Basta meron na mag-commute. And grateful ako na, nung senior high, hinayaan akong, matuto mag-commute. Dahil, although hatid sundo ako ngayon ng college, sa mga weekend and sa mga days na hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko, like, alam kong kaya kong pumunta sa kahit saan ng maayos or something. Basta, ayun. I like,
safety.
it's all about safety. Pero it's, masaya din talaga mag-explore. Yan din. Kasi, ewan ko, laki lang talaga ng mundo. Like, sabi nga ni Aisha. So, parang, just get out there and be safe.
Oo, parang sa college kasi malalaman mo rin kung anong type of life yung gusto mo. Kasi 'di ba, may ibang college friends na may kita mong laging nag-aaral, may ibang college friends na laging nagpa-party. Kumbaga parang minsan kasi test mo talaga yung waters if like fit ka ba dun sa ganong lifestyle or not. And yun yung parang isa pang na-learn ko this college.
Parang nabibuild yung sariling opinions natin and voices na parang hindi din tayo mabilis ma-impluwensya ng iba kasi alam na natin kung ano yung gusto natin eh. So parang siguro part din siya ng pagiging independent itong college life na na-build natin.
Actually, kanina pa ako nag-iisip. Kaya kanina pa ako nag-space out. Pero narinig ko naman yung sinabi. Anyway. Hello. Hindi, actually, kasi mahirap siya for me na tanong. Kasi only child ako. So, parang growing up, like mag-isa naman, sanay na ako na mag-isa. Dahil nakahanap ako ng comfort sa inyo. So, parang nasanay ako nung senior high na may nare-rely on. Pero, nung college, since lumipat ako, tapos actually wala talaga akong kakilala nun. So, nung first day, may nakilala. May naging ka-close naman ako agad, pero hindi kasi sila yung type of friends na parang katulad natin na ganun-ganun talaga, like nakakapag-open up tayo ng ganyan-ganyan. So, wala rin ako kasama mag-commute. Nasabi ako mag-isa, yun yung ano ko. Naging independent ko this college. Like, pagpasok, pag-uwi, pati sa mga paggawa, ganyan, mag-isa lang ako. And something na na-realize ko is that there's nothing wrong naman sa pagiging alone. Kasi, hindi siya actually nakakalungkot. Yeah. Kasi dun mo mas nakikilala yung sarili mo kasi mas nakakapag-connect ka sa sarili mo when you're alone.
May a-add lang ako kasi I forgot ko sino nagsabi din sa pagiging grounded na. Yung sabi ni Aisha na testing the waters. And si Mike ata nagsabi na parang alam mo na kung sino ka. And I think that's a very important concept na being so grounded in yourself that you don't let anything else like influence you into doing something na like you know na hindi gusto mo or hindi para sa'yo. Ayan.
This college din kasi, syempre, hindi naman may iwasan yung relationships. So,
Iba na yung ano
relationships.
Iba na yung walk out na kami.
Then, na kapag nagka-relationship kayo sa college, syempre, don't rely on that person too much. Kasi, may mga, like, from our experience, from
Sige, tapusin mo.
From our experience, may mga instances kasi na kapag nagka-relationship ka na, aasa ka na lagi mo siyang kasama, ganun. Like, gagawin niyo yung mga things together. Well, that siguro applies to others. Pero ayun nga, parang one thing dapat na alam mo kapag nasa relationship ka na you can still do things alone while you're still in a relationship and you can still enjoy it.
Alam niyo yung key dyan. Nabasa ko siya one time. Huwag mong gawing mundo yung tao na dapat parte lang ng mundo mo. Like, kasi, bago kayo maging in a relationship, you're both two different individuals with different lives. So, hindi ibig sabihin na pumasok kayo sa relationship na dun lang iikot yung mundo niya. Ikikihage niyo yung sarili niyo. That's, no.
Tama. Ang daldal ko. Pero naalala ko din yung isang quote na fill your own cup and let others fall in love with the overflow. So, like, yun din yung natutunan ko na parang kahit nasa relationship ka, kailangan mo pa rin talagang, mag-focus sa konsepto lang kasi theoretically di pa na-apply. You need to be so sure. Like, advice ko sa mga dyan. Huwag kayong susunod sa akin. Pero lang, suggestion lang, theoretically, you need to be so sure of yourself bago ka pumasok sa isang relationship. Kasi nakita ko dito sa TikTok na parang if you get into a relationship young, hindi mo talaga makikilala sarili mo because parang sa pag-grow mo with another person, makikilala mo yung other person pero hindi mo makikilala sarili mo. And that's a very
Isang line lang siya. Like, nabasa ko lang siya. Like, you have life before entering relationship. You have life during relationship. You have your own life after your own relationship. So, wag mong hayaan na yung sarili mo nakadependent dun sa tao na yun. Dapat inside that relationship, may ginagawa ka pa rin for yourself. Instead, doing things with him, doing things na para sa inyong dalawa. Parang at some point kasi dadating ka sa point na ma-realize mo na paano mo gagawin yung mga bagay na yun by yourself lang. Kasi nasanay kang gawin yun with someone eh. 'Di ba? So parang mapapatanong ka sa sarili mo na paano ka? Paano ka ngayon? Wala lang. Yun lang yung thoughts ko.
Realize ko din pala, nothing really stays the same. Like, lahat talaga nagbabago. Yung friends, nawawala. Minsan, hindi na nag-uusap or life happens, ganyan. Yung mga boyfriend, girlfriends, ganyan, nagbe-break. Yung mga ganyan. Super unpredictable na ng life ngayon. But one thing that stays the same is kung kilala mo yung sarili mo. Yun. Kilala mo yung sarili mo.
Hindi.
That's
Maganda rin na kapag like nasa relationship ka, yung partner mo, parang alam niya din yung ginagawa niya. Like, in terms of, kilala niya rin yung sarili niya. Kasi, minsan, hindi maiwasan na, ayun nga, nagre-rely sila kasi hindi nila kilala yung sarili nila to the point na hindi sila makapag-decide on their own, umaasa sila sa'yo. Kasi nga, in first place, hindi nila kilala yung sarili nila. So, parang if you will find a partner, it's better na love din nila yung self nila before ka nilang mahalin. Kasi kapag love mo yung self mo, mas secure ka na kaya mong gawin yung lahat. Kasi alam mo kung paano dalhin yung sarili mo eh.
Isa pang quote. Bibliography. Anyway, ito din yung parang iniisip ko these past few days na ang tunay na lover girl ay mahal din ang sarili. Yes. And kami ang lover girls.
We're finally complete.
Yeah.
Lover girl.
But parang wala akong sinasabi. Parang ikaw yung walang side comment. Oo,
Pag
nga,
mahal
wala
ka
ba
sa
siyang
si-
side comment sa
Yes, thank you. Very good. Lahat po ng sinabi nila, i-apply po natin.
Yung dapat activity namin sa health teaching namin sa PIDYA na hindi nagawa. So, each one of us kindly share one thing you love about yourself.
So, one thing I love about myself is, ganun pa rin talaga. I'm not scared of being alone. Yun, being independent pa rin. Sige, kung if not independent, like, related, it's being hardworking, I guess. Ayun, I tend to put a lot of hard work sa lahat ng ginagawa ko.
What I love about myself is lagi akong nag-iisip. And
Natatahimik yung utak namin.
lagi ako nag-iisip. And like, very, retrospective ba? Yung parang lahat ng nangyari sa past. Like, lagi ina-analyze ko, parang, like,
Tama, retro.
iniisip ko talaga kung ano meron siya and ano yung mga connections with that. Pero yung downside is, nalilimutan ko. Konti lang storage ko.
One thing I love about myself is, I'm an observer. Parang very observant ako dun sa surroundings ko na na-enjoy ko siya kasi parang you get to enjoy little things about your life. Parang yung mga little things na hindi usually napapansin ng iba, parang napapansin ko, wow, cute naman, ganon. Yan lang.
One thing I love about myself is kaya ko pong mag-decide. Ngayon po kasi ng college. Yung friend group ko. So, usually sa akin sila nagre-rely. Syempre, ako na medyo laging lutang. So, maano talaga ako na mag-decide for ang gagawin namin for the day, ganyan, kung saan kami, anong kakainin. So, yun.
One thing
You love about yourself.
One thing I love about myself is that mareklamo ako. Like kasi ayokong kinikim-kim ko yung mga bagay-bagay. Gusto ko ilabas ko lahat.
Expressive.
Oo. Mareklamo ko pero gusto ko na natatapos ko yung mga ginagawa ko. Kasi usually yung narereklamo ko naman mga gawain, ganyan. And ayun, katulad kay Aisha, like, sanay din ako na mag-isa. Like, no offense, guys. Gusto ko kasama kayo, pero kaya ko rin na mag-isa and na-enjoy ko siya. Like, kahit mag-bedrot lang ako buong araw.
Tama.
The end of the day, ang kasama niya lang ay sarili mo.
Okay, one thing I love about myself is that I don't know what I love about myself. I mean, ever since, I feel like lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko na go with the flow. So, kung ano yung mangyayari sa life ko, okay, I'm okay with it. But, not totally to the point na go with the flow. Siyempre, there are times naman na susolusyonan ko yung nangyayari, but I really don't know what I love about myself. Siguro yung, ewan ko, freestyle ata nangyayari sa buhay ko. Hindi ko alam. Pero, kahit naman anong mangyari, I know that I can do it. Siguro yun. One thing I love about myself is that I always know na kaya ko naman. Okay lang.
Okay, so, in short, love yourself before you love others, and you can do things on your own. Yan lang yun, guys. Don't be scared.
Enjoy life.
Yeah, enjoy life. Life
It's short.
is short.
Life
Life
is full of
Love.
life is so full of life is full of love because we are.
The Lover Girls.
Uy, wait lang.
Bye guys. Thank you for listening.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Kung babalik pa sa vlog ni Aisha.
Tanong mo muna kung malalagay sa vlog.